how you can change your Instagram username. Hey guys, in today's video we'll be talking about how you can change your Instagram username. So yeah, let's get started. So here you can see I'm on the profile panel of Instagram. You can see my username on the top, editing guy. Then you have that plus icon from where you can post videos, reels, etc. Then you have those three buttons from where you can access all the setting menu and everything. Then we have my simple name. Then we have all the details, my bio, and then you can see my post there. And okay, so yeah, we'll go on edit profile. From here you can see I have my profile photo there, my name, my username, so some pronoun which I have not added yet. Then we have the bio, and then we have some links and etc. So the main thing that will be going on is username. I'll click on it, and here you can see it is showing my username. It's saying that in most cases you will be able to change your username back to editing guy for another 14 days. So which means if you change it right now, you won't be able to change it back another 14 days. Yeah, you can change it to something else, but you cannot change it back to this username in the next 14 days. And in case if somebody else copies this Instagram name, so you won't be able to do it in the rest of your life. So yeah, this is a risky thing, but yeah, you have to take risk if to get something big. So yeah, if you want to change your username, just do this, follow these steps. And yeah, if you want to know more about Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, all the other feature apps that you want to know about, yeah, just subscribe to our channel, visit our channel, and yeah, press that bell icon, so yeah, you can get updated on all of the tricks and features that we show you. So yeah, until next time, take care and goodbye.